To make the perfect matcha, you'll need a cup, milk, water, a bowl, frother or a whisk, and the matcha of your choice. First, you're going to take your bowl and then the matcha of your choice. In this case, we're using our Supreme Matcha sachet. Just going to empty this into the bowl. And if you're not using a sachet, it will be 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha, depending on how strong you like it. Then just add 40 milliliters of water to your bowl. Next, we're just going to froth until frothy and smooth. Or if you don't have a frother, you can take your whisk until frothy and smooth. It's up to you depending on your preference. And we're going to set that aside. And then we're going to take our cup, add a few ice cubes, add 160 milliliters of milk. And now we're going to finish by topping off with our Tenshi matcha. And that's how you make the perfect Tenshi latte.